In front of me is OPPO Reno15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy. Now scroll again to click on Privacy Controls and then Permission Manager. Now just pick any feature you wanna manage, like camera, and tap on one of your apps under one of those sections. In this case, allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. Let's go with Chrome from not allowed one. Click on one of those options you wish to apply. Allow only while using, ask every time, or don't allow, and go back. As you can see now, Chrome has access to my camera while I'm using it. You can also go back, pick any feature, select an app you wanna manage, and scroll to click on tiny text at the bottom. See all permissions. Then manage all of those. Only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!